Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, fresh cream salmon soup. Rich creamy soup, soft salmon meat, a great appetizer. How to make. Prepare ingredients, salmon, 250 g fresh salmon fillet, diced. Potato, 1 medium, peeled and diced. Carrot, 1 small, peeled and diced. Onion, 1/2, diced. Garlic, 2 cloves, minced. Whipping cream, 200 milliliters, unsalted butter, 30 g, chicken or vegetable stock, 500 milliliters. Seasoning, salt, pepper, dill, optional. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Toasted bread or parsley, for decoration. Steps. Step 1, prepare the salmon. Wash the salmon fillet and pat dry with paper towels. Cut the fish into bite-sized cubes. Season the fish with a little salt and pepper to make it more flavorful. Step 2, stir-fry the vegetables. Melt the butter in a small pot, add olive oil. Add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté until fragrant. Next, add the potatoes and carrots and stir-fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Pour 500 milliliters of broth into the pot, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat. Cook until the potatoes and carrots are soft. Step 3, cook the soup. When the vegetables are soft, use a hand blender to puree the mixture. If you don't have a blender, you can use a spoon to mash the vegetables. Add the cream to the pot, stir well and heat gently, do not let it boil. Slowly add the marinated salmon to the pot, stirring gently. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the fish is just cooked. Avoid overcooking as this will dry out the fish and make it tough. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Step 4, serve and enjoy. Ladle the soup into a bowl. Sprinkle with chopped dill or parsley on top. Serve with crispy toast for extra flavor. Creamy salmon soup is best served hot. Things to note, choose fresh salmon. Choose salmon that is bright orange in color, firm in texture, and has no fishy smell. Cook the salmon. Do not overcook the salmon in the soup to avoid losing its natural softness and sweetness. Thickness of the soup. You can adjust the thickness of the soup by adding or reducing the amount of broth. Dill. This soup goes well with dill, but if you don't like it, you can replace it with parsley or another herb. Creamy salmon soup is a delicious and delicate appetizer, famous for its perfect combination of the richness of fresh cream, the natural sweetness of salmon and vegetables. This dish is easy to make but brings a luxurious taste, suitable for cozy family meals or special occasions. Thank you for watching. To not miss the next attractive videos about delicious dishes, please click the subscribe button and follow the Hatan VN2 YouTube channel. See you again.